Good morning, students. Myself, Dr. T. Sudarshan Ramaperumal, Associate Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Today, we are going to see about the Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi is defined as a microcomputer the size of credit card that is interoperable with any input and output hardware devices like monitor, television, mouse. Raspberry Pi measures 85.6 mm to 6.5 mm. Raspberry Pi runs various flavors of Linux OS. Raspberry Pi also allows interfacing sensors actuators to general purpose input output. Raspberry Pi is a low cost packet computer that is very economical to own. It is about the size of an ATM card and can work as a fully functional computer in certain normal use case. An operating system in an interface between hardware of a machine and the user who is using it. Meaning of operating system is a software program that helps us to use and to connect with the computer hardware. Raspberry Pi offering recommendation in the use of Raspbian OS. This is the functional block hardware representation of the Raspberry Pi. About the Raspberry Pi board, here we have the processor and RAM for Raspberry Pi based on the ARM processor. USB port, Raspberry Pi comes with two USB ports. The USB ports of Raspberry Pi can provide current output of up to 100 milliamps. Ethernet ports, Raspberry Pi comes with a standard Ethernet ports. You can connect Ethernet cables and HDMI output. HDMI ports of Raspberry Pi provides both video and audio outputs, and composite video outputs, audio outputs are available in the Raspberry Pi board. And general purpose input output pins are used for connecting external input output devices through Raspberry Pi. Display serial interface and camera serial interface boards will be available in the Raspberry Pi, and status LED will display the 5 different status of the Raspberry Pi. This is a simple example program how the Raspberry Pi board will be connected to the external LED. The Raspberry Pi general purpose input output pins will be directly connected to the breadboard connected LED. The wires will be connected to anode and cathode through the voltage regulator registers and the switch for switch on the LED. Raspberry Pi is launched in 2012, and there have been several iteration and variation released. Various versions of Raspberry Pi has been out till date. All versions consist of an SoC with an integrated ARM. The original device had a single core processor spread a device range from 700 MHz to 1.2 GHz to store the operating system and program memory secure digital ports. Raspberry Pi OS with the Linux OS is recommended OS of Raspberry Pi Foundation. Raspberry Pi models there have been many generations of Raspberry Pi PI1 to PI4. There is generally a model A2 and model B. Model A is less expensive variant and it is tends to reduce RAM and dual cores such as USB Ethernet. So this is the block diagram representation of Raspberry Pi. Here we have the USB Ethernet micro HDMI ports, power supplies, SD cards, 40-pin general purpose input outputs, inbuilt RAM, ROM, microprocessor, cameras, and status display LEDs. This is the hardware representation of the Raspberry Pi. Thank you.